This video is for educational purposes. Bishkek, formerly Pishpek and Frunze, is the capital and largest city of Kyrgyzstan. Bishkek is also the administrative center of the Chui region. The region surrounds the city, although the city itself is not part of the region but rather a region-level unit of Kyrgyzstan. Bishkek is situated near the border with Kazakhstan and has a population of 1,074,075 as of 2021. Bishkek is the primate city of Kyrgyzstan. It is the sole metropolis in the country, and about 17% of all inhabitants of the country live in Bishkek's metropolitan area. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. The Khanate of Kokand established the fortress of Pishpek in 1825 to control local caravan routes and to collect tribute from Kyrgyz tribes. On September 4, 1860, with the approval of the Kyrgyz, Russian forces led by Colonel Apollon Zimmerman destroyed the fortress. In the present day, the fortress ruins can be found just north of Jibek Jalu Street, near the new main mosque. A Russian settlement was established in 1868 on the site of the fortress under its original name, Pishpek. It lay within the general governorship of Russian Turkestan and its Semi-Reki Oblast. The Kyrgyz Autonomous Oblast was established in 1925 in Russian Turkestan, promoting Pishpek to its capital. In 1926, the Communist Party of the Soviet Union renamed the city Frunze, after Bolshevik military leader Mikhail Frunze, 1885–1925, who was born there. Frunze became the capital of the Kyrgyz Soviet Socialist Republic in 1936, during the final stages of national delimitation in the Soviet Union. In 1991, the Kyrgyz parliament changed the capital's name to Bishkek. Bishkek is situated at an altitude of about 800 meters, 2,600 feet, just off the northern fringe of the Kyrgyz Ala-Too range, an extension of the Tian Shan mountain range. These mountains rise to a height of 4,895 meters, 16,060 feet. North of the city, a fertile and gently undulating steppe extends far north into neighboring Kazakhstan. The river Chui drains most of the area. Bishkek is connected to the Turkestan-Siberia Railway by a spur line. Bishkek is a city of wide boulevards and marble-faced public buildings combined with numerous Soviet-style apartment blocks surrounding interior courtyards. There are also thousands of smaller, privately built houses, mostly outside the city center. Streets follow a grid pattern, with most flanked on both sides by narrow irrigation channels, which provide water to trees which provide shade during the hot summers. Bishkek is supposedly named after the paddle used to churn the fermenting milk. The official website of the Bishkek City Hall provides the following etymological justification for the name of the city: the pregnant wife of a Heo lost a paddle used to churn kumis. While looking for it, she suddenly gave birth to a boy, who she named Bishkek. Bishkek would grow up to be a noble figure and after his death, was buried on a mound near the banks of the Alamudin. There, a tombstone was erected. The building was seen and described by travelers of the 17th and 18th centuries. Based on DNA evidence, the area near Bishkek is considered one of the possible origins of the Black Death between AD 1346 and 1353. Originally a caravan rest stop, possibly founded by the Sogdians, on one of the branches of the Silk Road through the Tian Shan range, the location was fortified in 1825 by the Khan of Kokand with a mud fort. In the last years of Kokand rule, the Pishpek fortress was led by Atabek, the Datka. In 1844, the forces of Orman Khan, the leader of the Kyrgyz Khanate, briefly captured the fortress. In 1860, Imperial Russia annexed the area, and the military forces of Colonel Apollon Zimmerman took and razed the fort. Colonel Zimmerman rebuilt the town over the destroyed fort and appointed Field Porachik Titov as head of a new Russian garrison. The Imperial Russian government redeveloped the site from 1877 onward, encouraging the settlement of Russian peasants by giving them fertile land to develop. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. See you in the next one.